Kurti top style creation procedure. In this tutor, we will create a Kurti top style and understand all the necessary features and tools involved in the process. Step 1. Open Smart Design. Click the Smart Design button from the cluster of modules on the desktop. Click Smart Panel. Step 2. Style Setup. Enter the style number as Kurti top. Create a storage area named Naru, where the style will be stored. Select the created storage area Naru. Select the unit of measurement as inches. In Style Particulars, select Polo, which allows creating top styles for any age group and gender. Select number of sizes as 6, as per the specification sheet or measurement chart. Step 3. Select Pattern Components. From the pattern grid, select the required components according to the style specifications. R-neck SF, round neck with shoulder forward. SLVWH, sleeve with hem. Step 4. Load Parameter Table. Click File on the top menu. Select Load Grid. The parameter table will appear. Step 5. Enter measurements. Enter measurements as per the specification sheet. Important guidelines. All horizontal measurements must be entered as edge-to-edge or half measurements only. Do not enter around, circumference, measurements. Examples: neck width, shoulder to shoulder, chest or bust, across front, across back, waist, bottom, etc. Mandatory measurement: shoulder slope, chest length from HPS, armhole straight, sleeve length, arm girth, sleeve open. Note: only armhole straight should be entered. For armhole curve, follow the instructions given in the index. Additional parameters. Parameters related to selected components such as placket, pockets, rib, hood, slit, or some are mandatory when those components are selected. Step 6. Save and grade. After entering all parameters, click Save from the File menu. This ensures all measurements are safely stored. If grading is regular, use the hotkey Ctrl+D to automatically generate values for other sizes. Refer to the top menu to learn additional shortcut keys. Step 7. Generate patterns. Click Generate from the File menu. All patterns related to the selected style will be generated for all sizes. Further modifications can be done, such as adding internals, altering curve shapes, inserting notches, other pattern refinements. Step 8. Inserting dart or pleat. If the Kurti style requires a dart or pleat on the armhole curve, follow these steps. Select the insert icon from the main icon set. Choose pleat. First click, select the position on the armhole where the pleat is required. Second click, select the apex point on the body where the pleat should extend. Third click, select a grade point beyond which the pleat effect should not extend. Final click, select the grade point on the opposite side where the pleat